All right, guys, we got a Whirlpool here. Now, if you notice, the washer is on cold. Now, we're going to press start. Now, pay attention. You see it says sensing. Okay. Now, nothing's happening. Water's on. So now what we're going to do, we're going to put it, now tap is the same pretty much as tap cold, except cold uses a little bit of warm. All right, so let's see. Cool is off. Hot is the same as warm. So first thing to do, we're going to pull this off and see if we have any sediment in our cold side. And then we'll go from there. That's cold, so we want to check that, make sure it's good. If not, I'm going to show you how we can get this machine going temporarily until we get it actually replaced. All right. So let me refresh. So we're gonna do cold.
Yeah, get it working. Whatever you need to do.
Right, you
to
can
get it workable now.
correct.
And then,
Yeah, and then
if
we'll
we
deal.
can schedule a time to come back out.
Correct. So you'll be able to use the cold because I run the cold through here.
So she'll just start it the way she.
On cold. Yeah, normally you don't have to do anything. You
So
just
she
press
starts
start,
it on cold.
cold, and you're good.
Like is that like a knob which should be put
Yeah,
on?
you'll see where it says cold.
So keep
Tap
it
cold, tap cold.
tap cold.
Tap
All right.
cold.
But really, it's hot.
Well, it's the hot valve,
Okay, it's a hot valve.
which is working. That's not working, and we're gonna take the cold and put it here. So you're getting cold
you're
water
switching it to
because they already switched the wire. These wires are switched now. So when the computer gets turned on, it doesn't know that anything is switched. So it's going to be energizing the cold valve because this was over here.
Okay.
Yeah, and when we come back, we're going to flip it back to put it back to how it was. Yeah.
Okay, so it's on.
So it's basically normal when I leave. Just you can't do hot, just cold.
Okay, so just keep it on cold.
Correct.
Put it on the hot.
Correct.
Yeah, so put it on whatever it's supposed to be, and then we'll
Yep.
leave it on that, and then
Exactly.
And then when you come back, then she can put it.
I'll
on
just
hot
correct it.
again
Yep,
to
exactly.
whatever, and then the hot and the cold work.
So probably going to switch them up here then because so I don't have to move everything. Otherwise, I got to take it off. But yeah. All right.
All right.
Yep.
Thanks.
Sounds good. Anytime.